we're Visual Graphx. Visual Graphx was started in 2022. But the unique situation about us is we're merged with my prior company, which is 2CT Media, which was started back in 2009. We bring a lot of history of working with events and large-scale corporate branding that allows us to be very flexible and have experience in many areas when it comes to color and project delivery and going above and beyond what most shops our size are capable of. We have equipment from wide format printers like the Canon Colorados all the way up to Vanguard flatbeds, fluid color hybrids. We use CNC cutter routers like our multicam, and various other equipment that you'd find in most shops. So many doors, so many avenues. The biggest thing is a direct connection to our customers. We're no longer reliant on back and forth email chain or 30 phone calls. You can develop OnPrintShop to really connect to your customers and make it easy for them to interface with you, find the information they need, and provide you everything you need quickly. OnPrintShop has been our choice simply because the dynamic nature of the development team of OnPrintShop. You listen to us, you implement changes as fast as you can. You're constantly working on user experience, not just for our customers, but for us. With our custom development plan, you are able to bring features to life that none of the other software platforms had or had any interest in working with us on. We can process projects significantly faster than we could before because the platform allows for the customer to provide us all the information up front, connect it to our various automation systems on the back end, and it just flies through. Another metric that OnPrintShop has allowed us to accomplish is we brought almost our entire business to the web to allow our customers to directly order. It has increased our customer count 200%. We have grown 200% in the number of customers that we work with day to day. The other major benefit is it's provided us a dramatic reduction in labor hours. So our team is no longer tied up manually processing orders or typing in information. A lot of our customers can drive that, and we just fill in the blanks or provide the assistance that they need to pick out the product correctly. This has dramatically reduced the number of labor hours required to process most of our orders, to the tune of 50 to 70% less time to process each order.